So I've been working a little bit on my One Tree Hill tapestry, and I just wanted to show you guys my color changes and how I've been doing them lately. So I used to do them like this. When you start in for the single crochet, you leave it unfinished, then you pull your color back, change to the one you want, pull that through to finish your single crochet, which works fine, but they can get a little loose sometimes, I believe. So lately I've just been doing my color changes this way. So basically you just finish your crochet, your single crochet, and then you see these two front little stitches right here. Take your hook out, and then you're going to stick them through these little loops. Then you're going to take your color, wrap it around, pull through, and then tighten that down. And then you can continue on with your single crochets. How do y'all do your color changes? Now the backside will look a mess, especially if you pull your yarn through, like I like to do. But we just ignore this side. We pretend it doesn't exist. This side,